The Langley School District presents InstaFest Educational Festivals, Science Jam, Science Alley, the Time Tunnel, and the Corner Store. With Adventure Jones, Langley Jones, Curiosity Jones, and Discovery Jones. Learning about science, language, and math has never been this much fun. Science Alley has 8 stations, 24 challenges, and can accommodate 360 students simultaneously. Each student gets a passport to stamp and write their answers in as they go from station to station, completing the challenges. The first station has 3 challenges. In the Staying Alive game, students learn how much food is available for people on Earth to eat. 4 jigsaw puzzles depict the life cycle of salmon. Using cotton balls, buttons, and sandpaper, Curiosity Jones teaches students about the sense of touch. The Secrets of the Hive Challenge explains about the life of the worker bee, and everyone loves the buzzing game with amazing facts about bees and their place in human history. Did you know that the ancient Egyptians were the first beekeepers? Sound is all around when Adventure Jones uncovers the secrets of sound. Students discover how sound travels when they play in the glass band, listen to their heart, and tune in to the fork. The secrets of forensic science are uncovered when Adventure becomes a rookie police detective. This station has 3 challenges where students learn about fingerprinting, handwriting samples, and DNA. There are suspects to investigate and an arrest to be made. Oops, it's science by accident at the next station. The kids learn how the discoveries of ivory soap, vaccines, cornflakes, glass, anesthetic, dynamite, and other amazing things were made completely by accident. Next, the Jones kids team up in Tricks of the Eye. These challenges show students how their eyes work and how they can be fooled. At the Jurassic Journey station, T-Rex rules and Langley Jones becomes a PI. And T-Rex rules apply in this card game. But what are the kids saying about InstaFest? We get letters.
I love your Science Alley activities. They were great. Yours truly, Jessie.
The best part is that I learned something each time, like when I heard all the things that were written with a quill pen. Julia.
I like the Braille one because I got to do the elephant jokes and I got to put my name in Braille with an all. The writing and the designs were beautiful. Kara.
I was so astounded by all the hard work he put into these time tunnel activities. I never knew history could be so fun to learn.
Thank you for letting us use the kit and keep up the great work. From your #1 fan, Justin Yu.
Festival number 2 is Science Jam. Science Jam has 8 stations and 24 challenges. As a cub reporter, Adventure Jones uses the Apple Tales booklet to research the history of the apple. Students will learn many amazing facts about this delicious fruit. Did you know apples are over 2 million years old? This station also has the electric apple tree board game. Long before computers, old-fashioned toys like the zoetrope and the phantoscope were all the rage. These challenges teach the science of optics and how animation evolved. A card game similar to Go Fish explores the world of inventions that came from China. Did you know the Chinese invented the first calculator, the compass, paper money, the match, the umbrella, and the kite? Ordinary objects like scissors, tongs, and tweezers are really clever levers. Learning about the fulcrum, power, and force is fun with Curiosity Jones and the clever lever challenges. At the next station, students use the mirrors and games provided to discover that mirrors reflect a reverse image. Students make a kaleidoscope and decode the mysterious backwards writing of Leonardo da Vinci. Then it's a whole new ball game with Langley Jones. A simple experiment makes learning about inertia and gravity actually exciting. The three little pigs have a ball with expressions and meanings in this booklet. Spinning tops prove to be an excellent way to learn about momentum and friction. Curiosity Jones leads the adventure in Forces of Nature. Measuring wind speed is just one of the challenges at this station. At the last station in the Science Jam Festival, magnetic force is explained through games like repulsion racing and the Dinosaur Diner.
I had a lot of fun with the car racing games. I also learned a lot about magnets.
I like the Stand Up Live game the most. Being at the cash register was so much fun. I got to learn about money and everything that a store person would do.
It's back to the past through the Time Tunnel, Festival number 3. The Time Tunnel has 12 stations and 36 challenges. Students travel back in time to explore literacy throughout time and around the world. The secrets of the hieroglyphs are uncovered using this colorful scroll to complete the quiz. A hieroglyph decoder is provided to solve the great mummy mystery. Then it's off to ancient China to learn how their written language was developed. Did you know that in 2800 BC, a servant invented Chinese writing from observing bird tracks? The kids look up their animal sign using the Chinese zodiac book, according to the year they were born. Using the brushes and ink provided, it's time to learn Chinese writing. At this station, students are surprised to learn that some books of the past were made from a cow's horn. There is one included. Langley Jones takes on languages at this station. 4 card game challenges reveal amazing facts about language. Did you know that at one time, 90% of the Cherokee tribe could read and write their own language? Then, Curiosity explores papers of the world. Paper samples like papyrus and rice paper are provided for students to examine. The Scroll of Time game teaches how reading and writing were developed over time. Saving the Book of Kells is one of the most popular stations in the Time Tunnel Festival. The booklet tells the story of how people risked everything to preserve this important written work. Then, Adventure Jones explores myths and legends of Greek mythology in this booklet. Did you know Prometheus gave mankind fire? The origins of Braille are uncovered in the Challenge of the Dots. Braille card and codes are included and help kids find the answer to the ever-popular elephant jokes. The history of the quill is a fascinating story. Students use a jigsaw puzzle to learn about the great documents of the world that were written with the quill, and they write with the quill and ink provided. Next, it's deep into the Mayan jungle for a game of war with Mayan numbers. And in the booklet, Mayan Secrets of Beauty, are some of the unusual things people did to be more attractive, like shaping their heads and putting jewels on their teeth. At the Temple of Letters, it's a scavenger hunt through literacy history, gathering information on the Gutenberg Press, the Dead Sea Scrolls, the library at Alexandria, and many other topics. The great alphabet makers, rarest books in the world, and amazing ancient libraries round off this challenging station. In the game of school, students attend class in the 1800s, and with the steel pens provided, they learn to write the old-fashioned way. These challenges and many more, all included in the Time Tunnel Festival. The Corner Store Festival is a mock produce store that sells fruits and vegetables. It comes complete with plastic fruits and vegetables, aprons, calculators, cash box, shopping baskets, clipboards, coins, and lesson plans. Science Jam, Science Alley, the Time Tunnel, or the Corner Store. We help make education exciting.